Guys, this is Carlos Rodriguez with Off Your Flosser podcast. It is December 18th, and I'm about to open up the Quip. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. We have the instruction manual, okay, a 2-week supply, 3-month supply, and we have the actual Quip brush. It comes in this little test tube looking thing. It looks very, very cool. This is the brush. We're going to set that aside, and you can glue this thing to your mirror and rest the toothbrush in it. And if you're traveling, you flip this bad boy around and bacow, you got yourself a little to-go little travel thing so you don't get the brush all funky. This is the brush. I'm gonna give you the close-up. Bristles look kind of cool. This is the handle. It's not much to it. And you press that little Q right there. There's not a whole lot to it. I must get this near the mic so you guys can hear it. There's a lot of vibration. It feels like it's coming from like this middle part. All right, so we're going to use this and test it. We're going to use Plaque HD Disclosing Toothpaste to test how well it removes the plaque. Again, this is Off Your Flosser. I'm Carlos. Sandy Lee is testing her Quip. Oh, I wanted to thank Miss Alyssa Dudley for hooking us up with this awesome toothbrush, and we can't wait to try it. Guys, thank you so much.